Hi guys, I have a small update about my YouTube videos. I received a positive response from YouTube and I hope that I will get back my videos very soon. I thank each and every one of you for your kind words, especially Chupamila, the Yatra Kit, Eat Your Kappa, Epi Eats, Jay Poland, and so many of you have supported me. Thank you so much for your love and for your kind words. I will update you more once I get information from YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Last time when I was buying that taro leaves, I found this also. It's not something unusual. This karela, bitter gourd. They said it's desi ka karela hai. So it really looks like our local karela. It's very small. So I bought this also. Today I'm going to make new recipe from this. Chalo guys, we'll start our cooking. Okay guys, I'm going to cut this. The slice shouldn't be so thin also, otherwise like when you're frying it, it will shrink. Oh, it's not good. Oh my god, it's so good. So I've sliced all the karelas. This karela is like 250 gram. Well, now I'll be adding the ingredients. 1 egg, salt, then haldi powder, and chili powder. This is maida. Just 1 spoon is enough. Okay guys, we are going to give it a good mix. If you don't want too much of bitterness, then you can add a little bit of lemon also to remove the bitterness. So all the masalas are mixed properly. Now we'll fry this. In the pan, we'll heat the oil. I'm using mustard oil. Let's wait for the oil to heat. By the time I will show you something. I bought this from Flipkart. It's so good, you know, like for very sharp knives are there. This one, small one. And this kitchen scissor. So it's a very good product. I know it's a little bit small, but I'm satisfied with it. Just 300 with delivery charge. You can buy it if you want. I bought this small masala container also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 piece with the tray you can get. And see, the good thing is that we can get labels also, like whatever you want. I've already used it, so it's empty. And these are the empty stickers. So in another container you can use, and you can write the name, whatever chili powder or whatever masala you're using. You can write it here and you can paste it in the container. So these things, I'm so satisfied with this. Like masala powder, it's small for masala powder and all that, only this much. See, it's good for keeping this long and all that. So these two products I purchased from Flipkart. I'm so happy, I'm so satisfied. Hello guys, oil is heated. Now we'll add this. Well guys, it's been like 15 minutes. Let's see. It's very well fried. So now I'm going to remove it all. It's so hot in Gurgaon, but I'm enjoying cooking. So, ta-da guys, my deep fried Karela is done. I'm just waiting to taste it. I'm 100%, I'm damn sure it will be so tasty. So guys, this is the recipe for today. Oh my god, I'm going to taste it. It's so awesome. I never thought that it would come out so nicely. I've added that lemon to remove the bitterness, and there is no bitterness. You're going to enjoy it. So guys, please try it at home. I'm really liking it. So this is the recipe for today. Guys, if you like this, please give a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get the notification. So thank you guys for watching, and please, those who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel also. Bye bye, see you in the next video.